Hey people, so it's like no Sushant Singh Rajput's sudden the suicide yesterday. It was uh, normally when one hears of a celebrity passing away, it's of course like I mean as of yesterday after hearing the news, I could not bring myself to do anything like productive for a while. I mean, I was so disoriented because it's that's the thing. I mean, if it's a celebrity and a young celebrity at that, we and for someone to pass away through something like a suicide is like, I mean, it's you feel it almost as a personal loss, like and it is. I mean, because in the universe we are all integrated, we are all connected. So really, you should see it's like the record number of Instagram IGTV videos that have been posted from right from Sikandar Kher to Anupam Kher to it's like it's a whole spectrum of celebrities who and all of them it's equally emotional. I mean, a thing like suicide, there can never be I mean, anything in life, people, anything, it just passes. So, um, if one is really down and out, just for those few seconds, minutes, and all, just do something that will make you really happy. Be it, for me, it's a hot plate of Maggie noodles, or it can be listening to music, it can be anything. So that when Uday Kiran also passed away, the very next day there were 6 suicides in the state, in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. So that's the thing, when a celebrity, like, people look up to them, right? So but anyway, may his soul rest in peace, and I just had to make this video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.